And welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will share with you how to add a circle right inside this plane, and to do that all you need to do is to first, like you already know, we need to tap into edit mode, and edit mode, the next is to subdivide. To subdivide, you left click and you have subdivide. You subdivide. I think we have just one cut here, and I think is okay for what we want to work on. So the next is to click out and then click on the midpoint. Then now when you click on the midpoint, the next is to press Shift Ctrl B to bevel it. So originally you should have it come in a different form. You should have it come in this format, or maybe at worst in this format. So that's what you will have if you are doing it for the first time. All right, so you have this come up like this when you apply the bevel. Then if you want to change things a bit, you just go back to the control panel here, and then you add more cuts. Let's make it 3, and then we reduce the profile shape. As you can see, as I reduce the profile shape, it fits in better. It looks more like a circle than what it was, and every single shape here is quadratic. Every single shape here has 4 sides, and that makes it a perfect division on this surface. So the next is to extrude, because probably if you're adding a circle here, is either you are removing the face or you are extruding, but in this case we are extruding. So to extrude, all you need to do is to press E and then you extrude. Alright, but before you do the extrusion, it's always important you add a face. You insert a face. To insert a face, you click on I and then you insert a face and then you extrude. The essence of this is just to enable you have a smooth transition from this very surface to the extrusion. So we have this, and we have our stuff right here. We have our circle inserted on the plane. So on the next video, I'll share with you how to apply subdivision surface on this very mesh. See you on the next one.